What a wonderful occasion this is. Welcome to all of our students in Year 2. And there's a little symbol at Barker that reflects the fact that when you finish Year 2, go into Year 3, you change your uniform, but you also wear a hat. And that hat is just more than something to put on your head. It's a bit of a symbol, like a milestone that says to you who you are and where you are on your journey. And a few years later, you stop wearing that hat and you go up the hill and wear a different hat and a different uniform.